name's Kaler. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager at Newton IT. Newton is based at Wembley, and our target market is the SME space. In Newton IT, I've been trading for 17 years. Traditionally, we've grown out of the banking sector, Japanese banking sector in particular. When I was brought on board about 10 years ago, it was to transfer our skill sets into the English market sector, which we now have 150 clients. They range from charities, education, accountants, law firms, manufacturing, so it's a vast sector. Traditionally, we used to offer IT support services, and we then grew into disaster recovery. A lot of the services that we offer come from where our customers want to go. So they give us a direction and we work with them. So they have a problem, we fulfill it with a solution. Often we work very, very closely with our clients, and they really do rely on our knowledge and expertise to take their business in the IT direction they want to go in. So many years ago, it was IT support services, infrastructure in-house. It then went to disaster recovery, offering more resilience, redundancy to their business applications, to then into the cloud. And really, as I said, it's where our customers want to be, so we help to get them there. Back in 2011, Gartner estimated that the cloud was going to grow exponentially. This was music to our ears, being very heavily led by our customers. So as we understood that the cloud market was going to grow by $250 billion by 2017, we thought this is an area we really want to look to explore, especially when our customers look to us to lead their infrastructure. So this was an area we started exploring more in, investing more in, talking to our customers, telling them the benefits about going onto the cloud. A lot of our clients liked what we had to say in terms of cost savings, the flexibility, the resilience, the redundancy, the security, and so they took it on. I'd say about 60% of our clients have now gone onto the cloud, and we've been in this presence for about 5 years. The other customers are looking to go towards this direction, and what I tend to find is customers come onto the cloud once their in-house servers are coming end of life, or when an IT person leaves with all the IT knowledge and they feel it's quite a risk, so they want to take it to a cloud provider who can provide the specialist skill sets and the support wrapper to go around it.
My name is Jay Patel, a company called Newton IT Solutions Limited. We're part of a larger holding group called Newton IT Holding Group, and we're a wholly owned company by Newton IT Holding Group. Newton IT Solutions was formed primarily for diversifying into the SME market. Traditionally, we were in a Japanese corporate market where we're doing very well. And as we all know, Japanese clients migrated or consolidated from like 20, 30 banks into 2 or 3 banks. So there was a business decision that we had to make, so we had to diversify into the UK SME market. Yeah, that's where our sweet spot really is, and we're doing very well with the SME market at the present moment. Traditionally, we're an infrastructure company, so we were offering, like many other companies, outsourced solutions, hardware and software procurement, and support services on top. This was many, many years ago, 15 odd years ago, and now we've diversified into the cloud offering. So we've been in the data center business for about 8-9 years now, and we were the first developers of disaster recovery services to the SME market, and we started off doing that, and that's now slowly progressed onto hosting solutions. In terms of our host, how it makes us different is we offer a private host. It's not a shared host in Amazon or Google or Microsoft's cloud, because it's subject to security scrutiny there, and we all know about that. So we therefore offer a private host, and it's very, very secure within our own data center. And we've invested heavily from a technology perspective using IBM's technology, probably the best vendor out there in terms of data centers, to actually put in an infrastructure which is very fast, reliable, and secure. And these are sort of 3 or 4 things that we're actually aiming, enterprise class computing to the SME market at a cost-effective rate. That's what we're actually looking at. Today we're actually demoing a product called Benfer. It's a multicast video conferencing product, and it's there as a VC product for multi-user, multiple access, as well as document sharing from the corporate perspective. Now, it's not a normal video conferencing product. It doesn't require any software downloads. It just requires a small amount of tweaking on the browser, and you can provide high definition multicast video technology, which doesn't kill your corporate bandwidth. And that's the important thing about this particular product. It is a patented product. It's selling very well in the Asian market. So we're the first to market this particular product in Europe itself. So we're seeing how it goes in a show like this, and we're doing some heavy marketing on this particular product. But it's an exceptional product from a technology perspective. It requires very little bandwidth, very little interaction from the user, and it's working within 2 or 3 minutes. You know, we're a technology-focused company, so we tend to provide solutions using technology itself to fix itself. So we've invested heavily from a technology perspective into our data centers, and from that perspective, the cost model works very well for us. So we can provide a cost-effective solution to SME market, which is what they're looking for. They don't want to spend hundreds of thousands of pounds, so we've scaled that down using our data center technology. So we can provide that to SME market. Plus, we have a very close relationship with a lot of our customers, and from a marketing perspective, that works really well, from referrals, etc.
We work very, very closely with our clients, and we find with clients that are new startups that want to have an IT investment that's affordable, Newton is great. To the larger organizations where they have 500 users but they want the personal service, they don't want to work with the big guys where they're just another number, Newton IT again is great. So the SME is where we feel we're very strong at, and our customers have really kept us there. We don't have a sales team. Our sales team are our customers. Our business comes from referrals. So, you know, one of our charities talks to 10 other charities, and hey, next day they're our customers, and so do our schools and our legal firms and our accounting firms. So, yeah, that's how Newton has grown.